Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to run Facebook ads for your Shopify store the right way. Follow these 3 steps to maximize your ad performance and boost sales. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up Facebook Business Manager in Pixel first. Go to business.facebook.com and create a Facebook Business Manager account. Next, go to Events Manager and set up a Facebook Pixel. Install the Pixel on your Shopify store under Online Store Preferences to track visitor behavior and ad performance. Step 2. Create a high-converting ad campaign. Go to Ads Manager and click Create Campaign. Choose sales or conversions as your campaign objective. Under the ad set, select your target audience based on location, interests, and behaviors. For the ad itself, use high-quality images or videos, a clear headline, and a strong call to action, CTA, like Shop Now or Get Yours Today. Step 3. Optimize and scale your ads. After launching your ad, monitor its performance in Ads Manager. Look at key metrics like click-through rate, CTR, cost per purchase, CPP, and return on ad spend, ROAS. If an ad is performing well, increase the budget gradually. If it's underperforming, tweak the audience, creatives, or ad copy. Outro. And that's it. By following these steps, you can run profitable Facebook ads for your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.